What if you could drive a vehicle that emits nothing but clean water? A machine that combines the zero-emission promise of an electric car with the refueling speed of a gasoline vehicle. Welcome back to the channel, and buckle up, because today we're premiering the future, the 2025 Hyundai Nexo. This isn't just another SUV. This is a statement, a glimpse into a hydrogen-powered world. Available exclusively as a build-to-order model, your journey to the future starts now with an estimated delivery of just 3 to 4 months. Let's not waste another second and dive right into what makes the Nexo absolutely revolutionary. First impressions matter, and the Nexo makes a bold one. It's sleek, modern, and instantly recognizable as something different. Up front, you're greeted by a body-colored grille with a unique crosshatch pattern, flanked by stunning standard LED headlights and daytime running lights. Moving down the side, you'll find premium light gray body cladding, glossy black door window frames, and body-colored flush-mounted door handles that auto-retract for a clean look. The available model kicks it up a notch with a wide power sunroof, roof rails, and a convenient hands-free smart liftgate. At the rear, an integrated rear spoiler houses the center high-mount stop lamp, and sleek LED taillights complete the futuristic aesthetic. From its assertive stance to its aerodynamic profile with a drag coefficient of just 0.32, every line on the Nexo is designed for efficiency and style. Step inside and the future feels incredibly luxurious. The Nexo seats 5 in a cabin that's both spacious and serene. You and your passengers are treated to vegan, bio-based H-Tex leatherette seating surfaces that are not only premium but also sustainable. For the driver and front passenger, there are standard 8-way power-adjustable seats with power lumbar support and heating. Upgrade to the available trim, and you'll add ventilated seats for ultimate comfort in any weather. The rear seats are a 60/40 split flat folding design, offering fantastic versatility. Convenience is king here. You get dual-zone automatic climate control, a heated steering wheel on the available model, and plenty of storage with cup holders front and rear, USB Type-C charging ports for all passengers, and a wireless charging pad. The cargo area offers a generous 29.6 cubic feet with the seats up, expanding to a massive 56.5 cubic feet when folded down. It's a practical, comfortable, and tech-forward space for every journey. Now let's talk about the heart of the revolution, the powertrain. The Nexo is a fuel cell electric vehicle, or FCEV. Here's how it works. It combines a hydrogen fuel cell stack with a lithium-ion battery. The system generates a total of 135 kilowatts. That's 95 kilowatts from the advanced hydrogen fuel cell stack and 40 kilowatts from the battery. This power is sent to a front-wheel drive system through a single-speed reduction gear transmission. The result? A smooth, silent, and surprisingly potent drive. The permanent magnet electric motor puts out 160 kilowatts, or 161 horsepower, and a whopping 291 pound-feet of torque for instant acceleration. It's even engineered to start in frigid temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. This isn't just efficient, it's capable. So what about the fuel? The Nexo carries about 6.33 kilograms of hydrogen in a tank with a capacity of 156.6 liters. The true marvel is the system's incredible efficiency, rated at 60%. That's significantly higher than any internal combustion engine. While the official EPA figures for miles per gallon equivalent and total driving range are still to be determined, the promise is clear. Long-range capability with refueling times of just a few minutes, just like a traditional gasoline car. You get the zero-emission benefits without the long charging wait. It's a win-win. The tech inside the Nexo is just as impressive as its powertrain. Dominating the dashboard is a massive 12.3-inch color touchscreen with onboard navigation, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Right behind the steering wheel is an equally impressive 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster.
On the available model, you're treated to an incredible audio experience with a 440-watt Krell premium sound system featuring an 8-channel external amplifier and 8 speakers, including a subwoofer. For parking, a standard rear-view camera is enhanced on the higher trim with a stunning surround view monitor and even a remote smart parking assist that can automatically park the car for you. It's a rolling tech hub. Now, let's talk about how it drives and protects. The Nexo sits on a unibody chassis made from advanced, high-strength steel. For a smooth and composed ride, it features a McPherson strut front suspension and a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension. Stopping power comes from large ventilated discs in the front and solid discs in the rear, all backed by a regenerative braking system that recharges the battery. Now for safety, and the Nexo is packed with it. It comes with a full suite of 7 airbags, but it's the active safety tech that truly stands out. Standard on all models is forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, and lane following assist. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road working to keep you and your passengers safe from all angles. Now the big questions: warranty and price. Hyundai backs its vehicles with one of the best warranties in the business, and while the specific warranty details for the 2025 Nexo will be confirmed at launch, you can expect strong coverage, particularly for the fuel cell components. As for the price, the final manufacturer's suggested retail price is still to be announced. Since it's a build-to-order vehicle, your local Hyundai dealer will be the best source for the final cost. This level of technology and innovation does command a premium, but you're investing in a proven, cutting-edge platform for a zero-emission future. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Hyundai Nexo the ultimate green machine? It's practical, it's packed with tech, it's safe, and it offers a refueling experience that battery electrics can't match. The future of driving is clean, quick, and incredibly exciting. If you enjoyed this premiere, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Let us know in the comments below. Are you ready for hydrogen? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.